Welcome to the Virtual Record Treasury of Ireland homepage. If you don't have a specific search query, but would still like to explore the collection, you can choose to browse the Treasury. To access this feature, scroll down the page and select Browse the Treasury from the menu. There are two ways to browse: by repository under the Browse All link, or through the PROI catalogue. The Browse All list shows each of the participating institutions associated with the Virtual Treasury. Clicking the arrow next to a repository's name will reveal a list of material that is physically housed at that repository, but that is also included in the Virtual Treasury. You may notice multiple drop-down arrows underneath a repository. These arrows reflect the ways items are arranged within their home repository. Clicking on the arrows will lead you down the hierarchy to a specific item. Items with a bold picture outline have been imaged, whilst those with a grayed out picture outline have not. When you have found an item you wish to view, click on its name. A new tab will open with the listing, and its position within its hierarchy will be shown at the top of the page. The rest of the page includes details about the item's archival history, such as its date, content, author, and links to other related material in the repository. If the item has been imaged, this will also appear at the bottom of the page, along with any transcript associated with the document. To return to the Browse page, close the tab or select the original tab on your browser. Another way to browse is through the PROI catalogue. Click on the link to open this index. Browsing the PROI catalogue works just like browsing through the repositories. The main difference is that the PROI catalogue lists the items known to have existed in the repository at the time of its destruction. Browsing this catalogue will allow you to explore what was lost and what has been found. Click through using the arrows until you find a series or an item that interests you. Clicking on the link will open a new tab with any information about that piece. Again, its place within the hierarchy will be displayed at the top of the page. This page will also list any linked sources or materials. These links may be to other lost series or pieces from the PROI. They might include descriptions from an item in Wood's Guide or to any other found replacement items. The list of linked items at the bottom of the page includes basic information such as the reference code, repository to which the item belongs, the date, relationship to the item you are currently viewing, and what type of document it was. If you would like to know more about any of the linked items, click on the listing and you will be taken to the items page. To return to your search, click the back arrow. Or, if you wish to continue exploring, return to the Browse tab to see what else the Treasury holds.